What's going on, guys? It is Sunday, approximately 11 o'clock, and still no hurricane here yet, but we are getting some rain and some wind, and they just announced their first tornado warning. It's 5:45. I'm tired of sitting here, so I'm going to the gym for a run. Irma is here. She was a Category 5 out in the open ocean, hit Florida at a Category 4 and at a Category 3. And right now, she's over top of us, so I cannot get outside and run, so I'm doing it here at the gym. And I hate running on the treadmill.
So, Hurricane Irma's in full effect. And we're just waiting it out.
It's extremely wet outside and very windy.
He made it back alive.
Still have power. It's almost 7 o'clock. Let the beating begin, because it's going to last a while.
So, Sully decided he needed to go outside. As soon as the wind starts picking up, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at all that water falling down from the roof. Oh, Josh is like up there waving right now. Oh, you can see the wind blowing the rain. Oh boy. Oh, oh my god. Oh my gosh. Getting soaked. Come on, let's go. Oh my gosh.
We're out here, Flamingo South Beach, Miami Beach. Right behind us is Biscayne Bay, Star Island. The skyline of Miami would be way back there in the distance, but we can't see anything. So.
All right, so the hurricane is finally reaching us now, and we're actually starting to see a lot of the rain and wind. It's right here behind me. So hopefully it's not too hard to hear me, but you can see...
Oh my gosh, look at it blowing off the roof.
The trees now are really starting to bend. I'm not sure how fast the wind is blowing. Really see it's actually starting to create some surf out on the lake.
Hello?
Hi.
Why is your phone
You're
sideways?
What's up?
How's it going?
Nothing.
It's going alright.
So, where are you at again?
Daytona Beach.
Can we see what it looks like outside?
Yeah. It's gonna probably get loud real quick.
Okay. Oh yeah. Look at those waves. Oh, I can see the wind on the palm trees. So you came down here to help, and then you end up enduring the hurricane yourself.
I wanted to go to Fort Lauderdale, but they held us up here.
Where? Near Miami?
Yeah.
That's for Fort Lauderdale.
Why would you want to go there?
I wanted to experience the eye.
You are crazy.
Because we have guys down there.
Yeah, they're nuts.
We have guys in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, West Palm Beach. I rebuild power lines.
This is our friend Steve, FYI.
I didn't know this was a vlog video.
Yep, well, now you know.
I work for contractors that work for utility companies. When there's a natural disaster like a hurricane, the utility company calls in the contractors for extra help. I'm from Pennsylvania. I drove over 1,500 miles to help with the storm, and that's it.
We've been on the phone with Steve for like 5 minutes now, and now you can't even see the ocean because it's raining so hard. That's insane. It's a little after 8 o'clock. It's dark out now. Still raining and still pretty windy.
Wow, look at that. Oh, but look, it ripped all the things off the side of
Oh, all the shutters.
yeah, all the plastic shutters.
Where is it? Right there. Oh my gosh. Look over there. Oh my gosh. The gutters.
Yeah.
It ripped off the gutters. Oh, and then Josh kept talking about this piece of metal last night that got ripped off.
Oh, it must be from the peak right here.
Right there.
That flap right there, you can't see that on the peak. It got ripped off, both sides.
I'm not sure what Josh is talking about, but that piece of metal apparently came from up here.
Hey, but we got a nice new
New view of the lake. That tree broke in half, and so did that one right there. Oh, it's still really windy out though. So we've basically been home all day because Disney was closed yesterday and today. So we've got fingers crossed that it's gonna open up later on, but
it probably won't.
it's like debris from trees everywhere out here. Oh, look at those shutters. Shutters got ripped off all over the place. There's a screen on the ground. Some shingles off the roof. Some more metal. More shingles. Piece of gutter. Josh and my car's right here. And some siding. And all these leaves. Well, branches really. Slid up under the car. These shutters just barely lasted. There's some more shutters on the ground over here. So, moral of the story is make sure you're prepared for a hurricane.
It is literally pouring outside, and Jazzy is sitting out in the rain.